All right, so Jack, would you get us started with the secret ingredient? It's kind of like Iron Chef, but for science, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Today's secret ingredient is dry ice, as you can see here. And it's actually made up of frozen carbon dioxide, and it's 110 degrees below zero. That's why Mr. Kobrick is making the screaming noise. And
nice. That's not Mr. Kobrick screaming, right?
Well, no, it's my dry ice screaming.
Yeah, that's right. It's screaming.
So
I'll put it by my microphone here so you can kind of.
We've got 110. Now, a lot of people ask where you're going to get it, and so you're going to go to the grocery store and see the little container that's over there, the little cooler. I just put it in the cooler, and I like it in the cooler there. Of course, the gas can escape. A lot of people want to like get it 4 days beforehand. You can't. If I'm going to do this for kids at school, I'm going to buy about 10 pounds the night before because try to get it the day of Halloween. It's impossible.
Forget about it.
By the time the afternoon rolls around, about 18 hours later, I'm going to have about 5 pounds left. So if you get that idea of kind of what it looks like.
Okay, and don't put it in the refrigerator because, as we learned from Mrs. Spangler,
you'll blow the door open.
There you go.
Yeah, so you see if it starts to warm up. But that's a little, we don't talk about that.
Oh, okay.
Jack, throw it inside there so we can see some bubbling action. And ask Mr. Kobrick what he thinks about the water temperature. That'd be a pretty good
screaming
idea.
is always good.
What do you think?
Oh!
What do you think? So hot or cold? What do you think, Mr. Kobrick? Should it be hot or should it be cold?
Hot.
Right, because it brings out that really spooky effect.
Oh, yes it is.
Spooky effect, good job. All right, so Mark, while they're playing with that, would you tell us about yours? What do you think about yours?
Well, we'll watch.
If you want to have some fun.
If you really want to have fun, then buy some soap, pour it into the cylinder,
right?
And watch out.
Okay, let's do it. So show everybody the soap. So the soap is going to go inside. So go ahead and put the soap in.
All the Spangler children know that phrase. Watch out.
There.
Yes.
Yep, there you go. A little bit there is
yes,
good. If 3
go.
drops are good, then half the bottle is good. Oh, a little bit here like this. So now this is pretty cool because the kids can touch it. Now I just can't get it to stop, but it just keeps on going and going. Now it's filled with carbon dioxide, so it's safe. And we like these graduated cylinders because the kids can't get their hands down in the graduated cylinder. And this is what Halloween looks like the whole night, all right? All right, so Scotty, pretend like you're not playing with that anymore, and let's play with this. What is this?
Well, you just need a little bit of apple juice and some dry ice.
Okay,
oh,
so we
apple
put a
juice
little
and
bit of
dry
apple
ice.
juice in here like this. So a little bit of apple juice. If my hands weren't nice and wet, that would be great.
Right.
And then we get a little bit of dry ice. And now, what's the dry ice going to do to the apple juice?
Oh,
Scotty?
it's gonna make it bubble. See?
Oh, bubble, toil, and trouble.
Yeah, have you seen that before? And now we never serve it with the bubbling going on here, so we wait. So Mr. Kobrick off to the side there, take a look at yours. So, you see this one here? So we don't serve it that way, but we wait until all the ice is gone, and then we get a little bubbling drink. So here, taste this. You can do that.
And nice and cold, and very refreshing, cool beverage.
Very refreshing. Nice job.
Oh, delicious.
And would you look at this? This is our final crystal bubble. So look at this over here. This is just a little cauldron that we're putting everything in.
This is our favorite, right, guys?
Right? So,
crystal bubble.
So now what we've done is this, is I've got a piece of cloth here that has the bubble solution on it. It's a mess for Halloween as well. You probably know that. And you kind of pull it across like this. And if you can get it right across here, we can make a crystal bubble. And so you just kind of work it across here.